It's very, very soft, and two-way tape did not stick at all to this product. It's like latex, rubber, whatever. I'm not sure at all what kind of product is this, what kind of material is this, but the two-way tape was on here, and yeah, it's not sticking at all to this product. So yeah, I hate this product.
Regular mirror. Droopy eyelid mirror.
They're super easy to put on, they look really nice, and yeah, functional. Probably the best $4.99 I ever spent.
Is that no matter who's playing his song, one of his